Next, let's configure a communication channel. For this particular video, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect it to Telegram. Setting it up is very simple. All you have to do is tell it, let's set up Telegram. Here it says Telegram is already enabled in this configuration. That may or may not be true for you, but either way, what will happen is you'll be presented with a set of instructions. The exact message might look a little different than what I have here, but it'll provide you with detailed steps for how to connect your preferred communication channel. For Telegram, we need to start by opening Telegram and searching for the bot father, or there's actually a direct link you can click to start a conversation with the bot father, and I've left that link in the description below. When you click that link, you'll get a dialog box right away that asks if you want to open Telegram. Go ahead and click the button to open Telegram. And it'll take you right into a conversation with the bot father where you can click the blue start button at the bottom of the screen. Immediately, you'll get a list of commands you can send to the bot father, and we want to use the new bot command. So I'll type /, and you can type new bot, or you can simply select that command from the list. Next, we need to give our bot a name. So I'll call mine Terrific Tony. Now we need to give it a username. The username must be unique in the Telegram ecosystem and must end with the word bot. So I'll call mine Terrific Tony the Wonderbot. And we get a congratulations message. We've now created the new bot. In the middle of that message, you'll see an API token that was provided. We need to give this token to our OpenClaw bot so that it can properly connect to Telegram. So let's copy this, return to our OpenClaw chat, and paste in that key. Now again, this API key is like a password, so don't share it with anyone. That's why I've got mine blurred out. And after a moment, we get a response that shows a bunch of code and a blank response down here. Now, if you ever get a blank response from your assistant, this typically means that you've hit your rate limit with your LLM. Different LLMs have different rate limits. On Tier 1 with Anthropic Claude, you're limited to 30,000 input tokens and 8,000 output tokens per minute. There are a couple ways around this. You can either wait 1 to 2 minutes and then send another message. You can start a new session so that you're not sending the whole conversation to your LLM every time you send a message. Or you can increase your rate limit by bumping up your tier. With Claude, you can achieve that easily by funding at least $40 in credits. That bumps you up to their Tier 2 rate limits, which give you 450,000 input tokens per minute and 90,000 output tokens per minute. To avoid getting blank messages like this again, I've gone ahead and added $40 worth of credits to my Claude account so that we don't hit rate limits. But in your situation, if you don't want to add $40, you can just wait it out for a minute or two. After getting a blank message, simply follow up on your request. I'll just say, was Telegram connected? And I got a message there saying it was. So let's return to Telegram and begin a conversation with our bot. To do this, you can simply click the link that's provided by the bot father and click Start. Your bot will provide you with a pairing code. Go ahead and copy that pairing code, then return to OpenClaw and ask it to approve bot pairing and provide that pairing code. All right, we got a success message and we can now message OpenClaw on Telegram. Let's return to Telegram and send our bot a message. And we've got a message back from our bot. Now you can chat with your OpenClaw bot on the Telegram app on desktop or on mobile.